Weber, we add the value.
Hi, I'm Kevin Duesterhaus with Weber. Follow these quick tips to check the sharpness of your blade. Once your sharpener has completed its cycles, open the door to inspect the blade. Please observe your company's safety requirements for handling sharp blades. Next, inspect the edge of the blade to verify that there are no nicks present in the edge of the blade. Using a plain piece of paper, run it along the edge of the blade. Inspect the paper for a clean cut. There should be no frays. By using these quick tips, you'll keep your blades in good working order.
Weber, we add the value. Visit us online at weberslicer.com.